Okay, tuning the new drives. I've got the Acorn booted up because of the e-stop needs to be running for the drives, and I've got the DMM software running. Let's just do a quick tour of the parts. This is one of the two drives. The other one's hidden in the back there. And freshly installed motor. I had to make an adapter plate to space it out, and of course machine the flexible coupler hubs to fit. Got that up and running. Okay. Software. Got the USB adapter cable plugged in. Notice it says not connected. Click connect. Set the COM port. Should be 3. Successfully set. Okay, if we go to servo setting, this shows the current information in the servo, all the parameters. Auto tuning, ubiquitous warnings. Need to set the correct motor. I have the 11A DST kilowatt motors without the braking option. Continue. More warnings. Basically, you know, how's it hooked up? Is it a rigid setting or belt drive or what? Continue. And we start the auto tuning process. One last, are you sure? Oops, wrong light. A lot of these tests, it doesn't move it very far. They specify in the software to make sure that it can move 5 turns of the motor in either direction. Right now it's doing the high frequency sweep. It had just finished the low frequency sweep. Still on the high frequency sweep. Now, I had previously tuned the motors, but it was a bench tune. It was just the motors without a load on them. Okay, now it's doing the low acceleration ramp. Now it's doing the high acceleration ramp. Almost done. Okay, it's complete, and tuning is all done.